Today's focus is on eliminating the background from a video using DaVinci Resolve. Begin by navigating to the Fusion tab. Select Medium 1, then hold down the Ctrl key and press the spacebar simultaneously to access the Select Tool menu. Within this menu, type Magic Mask and proceed to add it to your workspace. Direct your attention to the preview screen where you'll begin the process of isolating the desired object. Utilize the drawing tool to mark the area you wish to retain. Transition to the tracking section, where you'll modify the settings for enhanced accuracy. Adjust the mode to better and refine the range to a value of 45. With your parameters set, initiate the tracking process by selecting Track Forward. As you execute this step, DaVinci Resolve will systematically remove the background from each frame of your video, providing you with a clean and isolated object. With these steps completed, you've successfully learned how to remove a background from your video footage within DaVinci Resolve.